Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change WhatsApp wallpaper for individual chat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your WhatsApp app and tap on the chat or conversation you want to change the wallpaper, and now tap on the straight on icon to the right hand corner and tap on wallpaper and select any wallpaper from this list. Also, you can upload a wallpaper from your device by clicking on my photos. So I'm going to selecting here solid colors, and I'm selecting this color for this conversation. I'm tapping on set wallpaper. So this was how we can change WhatsApp wallpaper for individual chat. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.